Firstly, place the open extraction tube on the box, but do not discard the tip as you will still need it. Pour all the extraction buffer into the extraction tube. You may squeeze the buffer bottle if you need to. Swab the base of the tongue, which is the inner end, for approximately 1 minute. Make sure that the swab is completely moistened with saliva. Rotate the swab sample in the extraction tube that was already added with the extraction buffer for about 10 times while pressing the swab head against the wall. Let it stand for about 1 minute. Remove the swab while squeezing its tip to extract as much liquid as possible. Tighten the dripper tip onto the extraction tube and leave it for about 1 minute. Place the test cassette on a dry and flat surface. Drip 3 drops of the liquid sample into the sample well and start the timer. Wait for 15 minutes to read the results. You may then read the result, but remember, do not interpret the results after 20 minutes.